Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, friends, whatever time of the day it is for you on this terrific Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a terrific Tuesday. We are going to start our day with the calendar. First off, Brian, I hope you had an awesome birthday. I do, and I hope you liked the birthday song that was just for you yesterday. Everyone else who has a birthday, when we're in school this year, you will be getting a birthday song as well. So, Brian, I hope you had an awesome birthday, and if you want to send me a video and tell me about anything you want to tell me about what you did over your birthday or whatever, you are welcome to do so. I would love to hear that. Okay, we are going to start our terrific Tuesday with our calendar, friends. Okay, who remembers what month we are in? It starts with us. Oh my goodness, we are in September, aren't we, friends? Okay, September. What comes after 21 on Brian's birthday? 21. Let's go. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22. You are right. 22 is green. So we have red, green, red, green, red, green. And today is our first day of fall. So if you will notice up here, Mrs. Hensley put autumn. Autumn is another name for fall. You can call it either fall or you can call it autumn. Okay, so it's got two different names, fall or autumn. So Mrs. Hensley doesn't have a fall one, I have autumn, and it's the same thing. Okay, so our season now, we are in fall or autumn. Okay, so September the 22nd, 2020. Right? Okay, let's see how many days Avery has until her birthday. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, Avery. I think I had yours wrong too. I think yours might have been on a Wednesday as well. I don't remember, but anyway. So that's how many days you have until your birthday, and you'll get a birthday song sung to you too. Okay, friends, let's do what today is. What day is the week? I said, I hope you're having a terrific Tuesday. So today is Tuesday, my friends. Tuesday. Okay, today is Tuesday. What will tomorrow be? Comes after Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Starts with a W. So tomorrow will be Wednesday. What comes before Tuesday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday. Okay? So yesterday was Monday. Let's clap that and see how many words are in yesterday was Monday. Yesterday was Monday. Let's try that. Yesterday was Monday. 3 words in that sentence. Okay, let's do today is Tuesday. Ready? I'm going to put a finger up for every word that I hear. Today is Tuesday. 3. Let's do tomorrow will be Wednesday. Ready? Tomorrow will be Wednesday. 4. 4 words in that sentence. Okay, so we know that our pattern, let's go from the beginning. Red, green, 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 red, green. What do you think's tomorrow? Tomorrow will be red, won't it? It's an A-B pattern. Okay, let's do how many days we've been in school. Okay, we're going to add a straw for the numbers of days that we have been in school. So let's count. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 days that we have been in school. Mrs. Hensley needs to make a tally mark. One tally. So let's count. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And an 18 is a 1 and an 8. Okay, so let's count to 18. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Good job, friends. Okay, we are going to go over here and write the date. So we know that September is the 9th month. Hopefully we remember that, and today is the 22nd, so we're going to put 22-20. Okay, then we're going to do our abbreviation for September, SEPT period, finger space 22, comma 2020, and now we're going to do September, finger space 2022, comma 2020. Okay, let's talk about what we are going to do today. Okay, friends? Let's talk about just what we're going to do today. Okay, today we have sound skills. We're not doing sound skills every day, but today we are doing sound skills. We have our foundations letter sound chart that we will be doing. We will be writing the letter I, uppercase and lowercase. We will be in math finding a group that has more objects in it. And we will be talking about our fall brainstorming from yesterday. Okay? Also, I should have talked to you about, well, I did a separate video on the choice board. So we will also have the choice board again today. It will be every day this week. Okay, you pick one lesson from the choice board every day. Okay, so that assignment will be out there as well. Don't forget to watch your 2 songs and sing along with those that are on the daily message. And don't forget to tell me how you're feeling today. I hope everyone is having a terrific Tuesday so far. So I hope everybody tells me how they're feeling, and I hope you're feeling good. Mrs. Hensley's feeling pretty good about Terrific Tuesday, so I hope you are as well. If not, that's okay. Mrs. Hensley will respond back to you, okay? You guys have a terrific Tuesday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.